Okay, hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to JFD Brokers Traders Tea Time with me, Darius Luchauskas, and today's the 8th of March 2018. We're just a few minutes away from the US opening bell. Let's have a look at the markets. What are they up to and what levels to watch out for the rest of the day. Before we continue, of course, let's have a look at our risk disclaimer here. So JFD Brokers offers exclusively consultancy free services. The content of this webinar does not constitute investment advice or investment recommendation and does not in any way constitute an invitation to acquire any financial instrument or product. I'll just give you a few seconds to read the rest and yeah, we can continue. So, also just quickly remind you of our JFD Brokers website. So specifically, this is the JFD research page where you can have a go in and have a read through different analysis that we do on a daily basis, different trading shoutouts, just technical analysis. Yeah, like I said, feel free to come in and check us out here. So, but now let's jump into the charts. So, S&P 500. So currently we're seeing that the futures market is trading at around 27.35. It's slightly above the yesterday's close. So yesterday we had the S&P 500 closed at 27.26. So if this holds on, then probably definitely we'll see the opening in the green. We are not far from this key level of resistance that I've mentioned in a couple of previous videos. So this one is a 27.54 area. It acted as a good resistance in the past, and then good support level in the past. So watch out for this one, guys. I mean, because we're not far from it. If we're gonna get a break above this, this might get pushed higher, maybe towards this previous high here on the 27th of February, and that would be around the 27.85 mark. If that doesn't hold, well, yep, it's opening the path towards higher levels, because we also have this rising wedge formation here, that the price could continue moving inside, in which it could continue moving in. So yeah, like I said, there is a good level to watch out here first, of course, like I said, the 27.54 area, and then we might continue, and maybe a test of this upper side of the rising wedge could be possible. So on the downside, of course, if we suddenly start seeing a move back down towards the bottom side of this wedge, we might break it, and then if we move below the 26.82 mark, then this could bring some bearishness into this index, and we could see some lower levels later on probably. So like I said, for now, just watch out for this 27.54 area. Similar story on the Dow here. Dow's going higher right now, we can see, and on the downside, of course, we can see that we've got these strong levels of support here at 24,600, and then later on 24,300. But the moment, as we're seeing, is moving away from them. The next level that we're watching are these two EMAs here, the 50 and 21, that are almost at the same area here, and that's around 25,000. Now we might get a touch of the 25,000 today if this wants to continue going further. If the 25,000 is not going to be enough, we might break through that and move towards this 25,300 area, which acted as a good resistance level in the past as well. So yeah, keep an eye on this one, guys. I mean, this could be quite interesting. Let's have a look at a few pairs. Let's just move back here. Yep, the same Aussie dollar. We were looking at this one in the morning. This is a daily chart, by the way. So we can see that the price moved higher, got rejected at around this upper side of this falling wedge. So now it's moving downwards. We do have a strong support level here at 0.77,900. So if we do get a break below this and a close, especially a close below this, then this could open the path towards the 0.77600 area. And if that doesn't hold, well, guess what? It probably could move lower. But on the upper side, of course, we've got this this upper side of the veg here, and a break above this could indicate that this pair wants to continue moving higher. And the next level that we are watching here is the 0.78900. Could be a good resistance level. If we do get a break above this, then the next one we're looking at is the 0.79600, around this area here. So keep an eye on this one, guys, as well. Let's have a look at the euro dollar. Euro dollar, well, it's actually a better picture could be seen now on a 15-minute chart. So we're saying, we know that Mario Draghi is still, I think he's still talking, unless he's finished. The press conference has finished now. But this is the action that we had once he started talking. We managed to shoot up here, managed to get to this downwards moving trend line. It seems that we slightly broke it, but then the price retraced and moved back down. At the moment, it's quite difficult to say what he wants to do. We need a confirmation here of some sort. We need to wait until this candle will close. If it'll close below the 123.850 area, well, this probably wouldn't be looking good for the euro. But at the moment, we're still slightly above it, so I would probably recommend to stay here, just wait and watch what it's gonna do. If we suddenly start moving back here, back towards the 124.350 area, a break of this and a close above this could open the path towards higher levels. But at the moment, like I said, it's still quite difficult to say. The pound, well, the pound is actually, this is a 4-hour chart, by the way, so guys, it's moving sideways at the moment. It's going nowhere. So we've got this level here that it found its resistance. So that was around the 139.100 area. We managed to touch it, then dropped, and then now it's, like I said, it's just in this range, little range here between the 139.100 and 138.500. So keep an eye on this one, guys. I mean, if we start seeing a move either above this or maybe below this, then this could signal continuation to that side. So if we get a break above this, we could move slightly higher here to test this downwards moving trend line, this upper side of this symmetrical triangle. Yeah, so watch out for this level here, guys. I mean, could be an interesting one to enter. Let's have a look at the euro yen. Euro yen, this is a 4-hour chart, by the way, and also it's forming a little symmetrical triangle here, we can see, and it managed to overshoot it just when when Mario Draghi started talking. So we shoot right through it, but then actually the price got back into it quickly back into it. Yeah, now we're stuck in this apex, and we're waiting for the next move. Probably. And not actually, probably we're waiting until either it's going to get out of this on the upside or get out of this on the downside. So keep an eye on this one as well, guys. Let's have a look at the dollar CAD. Now, dollar CAD, initially this morning we were seeing some strength coming back into it. We saw that it managed to reach the 129.500 level, and now we're seeing that it met its resistance within this Bollinger Band at the 20 SMA. So it just got rejected here nicely at this level here, where the 20 SMA is passing through, and now we're seeing this decline here in this 4-hour candle. So we might continue actually dropping here, because looking at the daily chart, the momentum is still to the downside, and it is looking good in terms of like trying to maybe move towards this bottom side of the channel. Of course, we will consider this area only if we get a break below the 128,600 or 128,650, let's say. So if we get a break below this, probably we could continue going lower. But at the moment, we can see that this candle is just trying to get formed here. This is a daily chart, by the way, and it looks like could be a potential doji here, but then again, it's too early to say. At the moment, like I said, it's a huge fight between the bulls and the bears in this pair. Also, let's have a quick look at the dollar yen. So dollar yen also stuck in this little range here between the 105,550 and the 106,300. Still waiting for either a pop maybe to the upside here, or maybe, like I said, a break below this 105,550, and maybe it will finally go and reach the round number of 105. But to be honest, it's really annoying at the moment. It's not really going anywhere, and yeah, like I said, still keeping an eye on this one. What I really wanted to show you as well, guys, is the dollar Swiss. Now dollar Swiss, it's slightly different story here. This is a daily chart, and we can see that we are on this reversal. It seems like this is like a reversal on the dollar Swiss. Now if we get something like finally a close today here above this level, above this 0.94550 area, if we get a close above this, probably could move later on towards this 100 EMA here on the daily chart, and that would be around the 0.95 areas, 95,600. So you could, like I said, keep an eye on this one, and it could prove itself to be a good trade here, but only if we, like I said, if we get a close above this level right here. On the downside, of course, because we've got this little short-term upper trend line, then we could, if we break this, we could see a move lower, maybe towards the this area here at around 0.92550. So yeah, keep an eye on this one, guys. I mean, it is forming nicely. It's forming a nice nice pattern here. Maybe could be something, if it wants to continue going higher, maybe we could see something like a little channel here. Just bear with me. Up there we go. Maybe something like this. But then again, for that we would need a confirmation, and the confirmation would be the close above this area right here at this 0.94550. Okay, guys, I'm not going to take any more of your time. We've got the US opening bell just in a few minutes, and I hope you have a good US session. And as always, guys, keep an eye on the price action. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.